So, Justin, how you doing, brother?
Good. How's it going?
Good. Good to see you. Good to see you again this year.
Tactical drone.
Hi.
So, Justin,
Start that over.
who is that guy? Well, it is SHOT Show 2026, and you know how things go in Vegas, especially since it's so close to California. There's a little bit of bleed over sometimes.
A lot of bleed over.
A lot of bleed over.
Yeah.
So, Justin,
Yeah.
go ahead. You are with,
So I'm with Covered 6. We're here representing the Condor booth.
right?
We have a unique partnership with Condor to help develop new products and do testing and evaluation for different gear that will be used in the like professional line, right? What we've done here is we've created a leg rig case, like a gas mask case, but specifically to carry an indoor drone like the DJI Avata.
Right? I'm going to go and
So-
just spin it around here.
Yeah, I'll
there
spin
we
it
go.
around, and I'll give you some of the features.
Got our leg drop. Yeah.
So this can go on your belt. It's got a swivel buckle here, right? So that if you're sitting or standing, it'll still be comfortable. You can also mount this on a backpack with the Molle, laser cut Molle slots here. But the features are, it's got a clamshell design. You can open it up to get all your stuff in and out. Goggles will be worn during operations, so you can have those on your head or on your helmet. You can either include this controller, or if you like to use a regular traditional controller, that will also fit in here.
And this controller is a single hand controller, so
Correct.
if it gives you that one hand free.
Yeah, some people are better at flying with this, some people like the traditional sticks.
Right. But it's
so
always
you-
good to have a hand available for other options.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. So in here, it's all soft loop lined. The DJI Avata fits right in. Other indoor drones should fit in here nicely. This is a prototype, so we're testing it. So we want feedback from folks on maybe what they're using, and just give us some input as to what you think of this. The soft loop lining allows you to use single pistol mags with a hook back to help accessorize this, or any kind of hook back accessory to accessorize it.
And you have this set up with, you've got battery in situ, you've
Yep.
got two spares, you've got your single hand controller, and you
Correct.
have the double controller in there as well?
So what would happen is the double controller, if you prefer one or the other, you would just swap it out. So this one would
Okay.
stay back, you would have your double controller in here. There's also Molle panel over here that you could use to accessorize. If you wanted to keep all this stuff in one thing, you could just put another accessory pouch out here. We don't like to do that necessarily, because we don't want too much sticking out on our leg. When you're trying to maneuver in an environment, you don't want too much stuff to hang up. But it is there available if you did want to deploy it in a different manner. The other way that we would set this up, it has a little Velcro strap here. So what we could do is, if you're on a tactical team and you're the drone guy but you're not using it yet, you could actually just prime it open like this. So all you have to do is just pull the drone out, fire it up, and go to work.
Right.
Okay? So our temporary name, we're calling it the Vector Drone Pouch.
The Vector
Yeah,
drone
it's
pouch.
a prototype. The name might change, but that's what we're gonna call it for now.
Very good. Do you have any idea about approximate price point on it? Approximate.
Not yet.
Okay.
Couldn't tell you yet. So
Okay.
a lot of it will depend on whether we're changing the design in any way, adding features, or simplifying it more.
Very good.
So-
And any kind of a timeline that you might have on when you may have the final product available?
I think based on feedback, it'd probably be, if they're going to produce it, maybe towards the end of the year, maybe the beginning of 2027.
Okay.
Maybe sooner if we get a lot of feedback, or where people are like, hey, we need something like this and we want it now.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
Outstanding. Well, listen, travel very well.
All right, thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah, it was good
Don't
meeting
forget
you
to have a
guys.
bourbon later today. And cigar guy?
Yes.
Outstanding. Okay, we'll set you up.
All right, sounds good. All right.